السلام عليكم طلابي. نزهة معكم. In this video we are going to look at أجوبة لتمرين رقم 14. Answers to practice test number 14. The word رقم has a Q here. That's the قاف we just learned. رقم and that means number. جاهزين؟ يلا. ش ح ض ذ ط ف ص د غ ق. One more time. ش and this time faster. ح ض ذ ط ف ص د غ ق. I hope you did well, and I would like you to let me know how I am doing by leaving some comments and reviews. شكرا ومع السلامة.